Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine? Okay, now today we begin with the first lecture of drawing subject. Before I start teaching you anything, I would like to tell you one simple thing, how will the course go ahead. I don't know in primary school drawing textbook all the drawings were related to each other or not. But here the way how I am going to teach you is like that way, that all the drawings will be connected with each other. It will be like steps. If you want to climb the steps, you have to first step on the first step, then second, then third, then fourth. Directly you can't climb the fourth step. Am I right? You have to cross first, second and third to reach fourth. So my first drawing, whatever I am teaching you, if you don't follow that, if you don't do that drawing, fine, in next drawing you will not be able to cope up with the thing. Just now I have not uploaded all videos, so you don't know what is the connection between them, but they are connected with each other. So regularly whatever I am teaching you, you have to follow that thing and you have to do that thing on the same day. Fine? Is my message clear? Okay. Now one thing which I know is that drawing textbook, Vikas drawing textbook may not be available in the market in enough stock quantity, and that is why I am beginning the drawing lecture in the sketchbook. I am 110% sure that sketchbook is available in the market in plenty. You cannot say that, sir, when I went to the store there was no plain book available, no sketchbook available. No, that is a wrong answer. You go to the another bookstore, you will get. Fine. So we begin the drawing with this thing. Now one more thing regarding drawing. There are two classes of people or students. First class is the students who love drawing, who like drawing, they like to do drawing, it is their subject of interest, right? The ratio of this student is 10 to 20% in the whole class, if I am not mistaken. And there are 80% students who do not like drawing due to one reason or another. First reason could be the interest. Second reason is they do not know how to draw. Whenever any drawing is given to them, they are not able to copy that drawing, they are not able to do that drawing. That is the reason, right? Now I am a teacher. What is my duty? My duty is that 100% students should be able to do the drawing. So I will be teaching you the drawing in such a way that each and every student is able to do the drawing on his own. No support of elder brother, sister or parents, no one. Easily each and every student will be able to do the drawing. That's my challenge. And so I begin my first lecture. First thing is, you have to draw 5 rectangular boxes. I am not giving any specific measurement, but in your first page draw 5 rectangular boxes of equal size. Leave little bit space on the top, little bit space on the bottom, 1 centimeter space in between the two boxes, and like that way you draw 5 boxes in your drawing book, first page. I am turning the page, but you have to do it on the same page. Clear? Fine. Now what are we going to do in these boxes? Right, what did I told you just now, that as a teacher my duty is that each and every student should be able to do the drawing easily. So first I am teaching you how to hold the pencil properly. The first step, see, we hold the pencil from near the lid, right, when we are writing, but that is a wrong technique. While doing drawing you have to hold the pencil from little bit far. You can see in the video here from where to hold the pencil correctly, right? So you have to hold the pencil little bit far, okay, so that whenever you do any drawing, whenever you want to take a curve, whenever you want to draw any curve, you are easily able to take that curve. So first step was to hold the pencil properly. Second step, what you have to do is, in the first rectangular box, you have to do vertical lines. Now you may be thinking that why is sir making us do vertical lines, right? Yes or no? And when you do the vertical lines, don't rotate the book horizontally and vertically, and no, the book should be as it is, and you have to do the vertical lines keeping the book as it is. Your hand should move from top to bottom, not sideways, no shortcuts. Okay, clear? So put the book like this way as it is, and in the first box you have to draw vertical line without stopping in between. When you are doing the line, even if the line goes zigzag, okay, or goes out, no problem. You are learning, my dear. No one is a perfect artist, so don't worry, don't take tension. You are learning just now, so it may get spoiled, don't worry. But just parallel to the vertical line which you have drawn with the scale of that box, next to it you have to draw the first line, second line, and so on. You have to fill up the whole box. Now here also, all those who want to use eraser, suppose you are drawing the first line and you think that it's spoiling, I suggest you not to use eraser. Let it get spoiled. From the starting, from the top to the bottom, you draw the whole line, don't stop in between. Let it get spoiled, then only you will learn. So fill up the whole box, the first rectangular box which you have drawn, fill it up fully with the vertical lines. Now one more thing I would like to tell is, no, I will tell you later on, just now let it be a surprise. So fill up the whole box with vertical lines. Now I am not going to fill up just now, otherwise time will get wasted. So now we go to the second box. In second box you have to do the horizontal line. This will be easy for you, I know. Why? First thing, horizontal line each one can do, it's very easy. Vertical line is only difficult thing. Now horizontal line, there are two reasons why it is easy. First is it's small in size, you can see the breadth of the box is small, so it's easy for you to do the horizontal line. But then too, you have to not take the thing lightly, try to do it with full perfection. Okay, 100% perfection. It should be looking as if you made the use of the scale. It should look as if you have made the use of scale. Don't start you making the use of the scale. So like this way you have to do the horizontal lines and fill up the whole page with horizontal lines. Each line parallel to each other. Now guess what will we do in the third box? Horizontal and vertical line has come. Then in third box, diagonal lines. Diagonal means slanting lines. Okay, in the third box you have to do the slanting lines. That is also very much needed. As I told you in the beginning of the video, I want each and every student's skill of drawing to improve. So these all things what I am making you do is to improve your skill of drawing. Suppose at present if you are able to do the drawing, the line easily, then when in the real drawing you have to do the line, you will be able to do it fast and accurate. So this all practice is very much necessary. So in the third box, fill up the whole box with the slanting lines. Now we come to the fourth box, in which you have to do wavy line. This is known as zigzag line, like waves it is. So you can also call it wavy line. So zigzag line or wavy line. Now this line, if you are able to do this line properly, your handwriting, okay, your handwriting will also improve. Plus, whenever we do any real drawing, at that time, whenever you have to take the curves, you will be able to draw the curves without lifting your hand. Plus, your curves will be proper. So more and more practice of zigzag line is necessary. So, this was about the fourth box, and then we talk about the fifth box, what you have to do in the fifth box. Now, in fifth box you have to do triangular lines. I will show you just now. And the triangular type of line is also very important, that you should be able to do of equal size. In practical drawing, it is very necessary that you should be able to do that thing. Okay. So, now we come to the fifth box, in which we are going to do this type of triangular line. It is like zigzag line only. Okay, so you can see here triangular lines, like this way you have to fill up the whole box. So, today's work is over. Now, next drawing video, whatever I am going to teach, you will be able to perform that thing if you have learned this thing. If you have done this 5 boxes, then it will be easy for you in the next video to do whatever I am going to teach you. Fine. So, this video we complete over here. Anyhow, by today evening complete this drawing. Like this way your page will look: vertical, horizontal, slanting, zigzag. Thank you.